So I gotta make it to the St. Joe Supermoto ride by 6. Let's go.
That I think is keep a wall up, stay away from me, and please proceed with caution. My problems are self-inflicted, I seldom make good decisions. You're welcome to try it different than this fucked up way we're living. Hey, they love me, well that's cool, I feel a place in your heart. I'm from the bottom, but made progress just right after my start. I keep that ratchet who won't what like I was drunk.
What are you doing?
I met the devil and declined his offer. I am not marked, I'm independent to the bone. I am a union of one. I got a unit full of killers who are quick with a gun. I made some money, to be honest, I'll be broke in a month. I kept a smile through it all, but man, this shit is not fun. It's all about it into diamonds, turned it into diamonds, turned it into diamonds. We took what life handed us and turned it into diamonds. Diamonds, turned it into diamonds. We took what life handed us and turned it into diamonds. Money's been made, okay, haters throw shade. I just sit back and sip on my lemonade. See, I was born in a trailer, couldn't afford my inhalers, but I was blessed beyond belief, became a hustler.
Yeah, I know he wants to.
He's saying no.
Oh, we'll go to Speedy. We'll start lining up. God damn. Spicy nugs sound heat right now. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god!
It's all about the timing.
Okay.
We have put the time in, not even in our prime. And here we are and we're shining. Say you're on the grind, but we don't see you out grinding. We took what life handed us and turned it into diamonds. Turned it into diamonds. Turned it into diamonds. We took what life handed us and turned it into diamonds. Diamonds. Turned it into diamonds. We took what life handed us and turned it into diamonds.
Lord, forgive me. The way that I think is